It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
But in the midst of all my enemies, yeah, Jah you keep me firm and strong, yeah. Strong already, you know. So when I go on the people, big up on yourself, welcome back to the channel. Golf course, as usual. Enjoying the scenic views. You know, so I'm just find a golf ball here, right, or so. So probably golf ball and knock over here somewhere. But I think we're safe right or so. So yeah, what are we doing in this video? So I'm so excited about this new movie that is coming up. Jamaican movie. I'm so excited about it, like I have to come and tell you. There won't be any spoilers. But this movie, it go hot. Now, where should I start from? Where should I start from? Of course, I'm going to show you little clips, but not too much where, you know, you get too much of the movie before it come out. So, yes, where do I start? So, I don't know if you get... Alright, first of all, I'm in the grill, so that ready. I'm following the Richard Brown Films movie making journey. All of that. Go over there, check out Richard Brown Films. If it's your first time, you're clueless as to what I'm talking about. Alright, good. Oh, before me even go no further, I will nice this up a little bit. So I want to check in at the description. Right now, there's a lime and there's a Digicel credit in there. Yeah, have a go. Alright, ready now. So, hot movie I come up, guys. And I'm so excited that I had to come on here and talk about this. So, if you guys have seen the movie on Richard Brown Films, Dangerous. So, you guys notice how that movie has an international vibe. In my humble opinion, anyways. That movie, it has a message, it has a storyline, everything, and it has this international kind of vibe where you feel as if you could give that to a network. So, good. That movie in mind and the caliber of that movie in mind. So, I don't know if you guys know, but Fire Curious, he was on a vacation. Because being in the space and being around them, in my humble opinion, and always my humble opinion, I think that vacation was him working in his mind to create a new movie. Which this is the new movie, creating a new movie that will cross some boundary. That's my theory, you know, based on what I'm seeing, being in the behind the scenes and all that. And you guys can tell by these fire clips, which I'm going to elaborate on some more. So, yes, hot new movie coming up. So I think the Fire Ross using vacation or working in his head to create that kind of movie. And no, God no, trust me, like me find it exciting from the little role that me I play. So no, perfect segue to tell you about that role. So no, like I not even know where to start from. So I'm this. So what I'm assuming, because I don't know the entire storyline, but this little role that I got to play recently, just the other day, because you know filming is always happening. So it's like this brother will have a whole heap of money and him enjoy some real. He look like him. Him toolkit where sex and them kind of thing that concern. It's like him like to get creative in that little space there. So, you know, you're truly I play the character and you know, I like the bad character there. I like the bad character. Fire Ross, if you watch it be a bad character, and you can't signature it same way with the little nerd thing. I like it. And at first I was nervous, like not in this scene but in other scenes. But I wasn't nervous here, so I realized there has been growth. So perfect segue for this to mention now that Shan said she was nervous when we were doing that scene. So I think we need to get her on here and do an interview and talk to her some more, try get in her head to find out what did I go on during that scene.
I feel very personal with him now because we just do a scene, you know, it's intense.
Our next kissing scene. Yep.
Another one. Oh. I guess that's why I didn't want to get it right after I come off. I bet you know, because I feel like I'm
How was it for you?
It was different. It was my first time doing a kissing scene.
For me, it was like me just to have fun. I want to embody the character. And like we talked about this already. If your first time over here, check out previous videos to find out where kissing scenes or intimate scenes are concerned. So, yeah, by the character when me get alone, guys, like me I tell you, it's gonna really be one banger movie. Like, yeah, I feel like the Fire Ross take the vacation, come up with these things in his head, and him draw for I mean, Shannon Tori, everybody favorite. Come on. Everybody favorite. Where a movie is concerned. Now, personally, I have my favorite. But the movie we are talking about. So, those are my favorites. So, I feel like him draw for everybody favorite. Shannon Tori. I don't know if him probably bring Eve Night. I don't know what I go on. But so far, movie hot. So, I not even can tell them about the Fire Ass character because I want him have the talent. That's a him talent. So, people, definitely subscribe to this channel so you can get more intel as to what going on with the movie them. Definitely go over Richard Brown Films. Jamie Wood as well, guys. Go over there and subscribe. And oh, as me mentioned, Jamie Wood, make sure you subscribe to all our channel. You don't want to miss out on no entertainment. And if you're not convinced that we give entertaining content, you can check out previous videos on here. Go over Richard Brown Films and check out the videos over there. Go over Jamie Wood and check out the videos on there. Specifically, the one with me I recommend, Dangerous, that movie. Check out that movie, guys. Check out the movie. So, yes, definitely make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell and things so you don't miss out. And, yeah, that's been it in this one. How me to leave? I'm not telling no thanks for 2,000 plus subscribers. Guys, really appreciate it. Thanks for the support. Thank you very much. 2,000 plus subscribers. And add to the team, guys. If you're first time over here, add to the team. Click subscribe, click like, share the videos them. Also, I hear persons asking about JCF police related content. Alright. I'm enjoying this right now. And when I usually make that content, people can't take a joke. You get what I say? So, the least little thing is that people get offended. Oh, this is about the cool so yeah. I'm not really interested to make that kind of content no more because really, yeah, I'm enjoying this now, so I'm going to focus on this. And then policing is a thing of the past, guys, so sometimes you don't really try to care about the past too much in your present life. You get me? So, yeah, if I feel that there is something more to that kind of environment or that kind of feel, I'll try and make a video. But otherwise, I focus on this. I'm enjoying this right now. So, yeah, that's that. So, thank you for 2,000 plus subscribers. Hot new movies coming up. But this one in particular, I'm needing to check out. I not get the name yet, but we can hang out in the comments a little bit and find out the name from Curious or Fire Us and thing. Oh, Fire Us, as me I say, if the video reach my boss, no character where you give me, you don't have to be, but me I say, any character where you give me, like me prefer bad character. Yeah, I'll be the bad character. No problem out there, my friend. So, yeah. So thanks to 2,000 subscribers, hot movie come up, me go a little in, I show you guys some clips. And that's it. Yeah. In the midst of all me enemies, yeah. Jah, you keep me firm and strong, yeah.